Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change auto screen lock time in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. Okay, after your screen is timed out, your phone screen will be automatically locked based on the how much time you have already set in your phone. Okay, first of all, go to settings, then go to display, go to display and go to screen timeout, and see here screen timeout is 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out, and then auto lock will be applied if I have set a pattern lock or pin lock or anything, and based on how much lock time is available in my phone. Okay, so for demo purpose I keep in 15 seconds. Okay, screen timeout is reduced now to 15 seconds. So what will happen after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be locked. Phone screen will be timed out first, and then after timeout of my phone screen it will take some time. Okay, based on how much time my phone has for auto lock. Okay, so here I have crossed more than 5 seconds. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now check. Yes, screen is locked. Okay, so there is some particular gap between screen timeout and auto lock. Okay, so that gap can be minimized or maximized based on how you are going to set. Here we are going to how to set that auto lock time. Okay, first go to settings, then go to lock screen and AOD, and click on secure lock settings, and draw your current pattern for authentication. Now you will see one option auto lock when when phone screen turns off. Okay, when your phone screen turns off, auto lock will be applied after 5 seconds. Okay, that is already set. Okay, so when my phone screen timed out, it will take after 5 seconds. Okay, it will take 5 seconds after that. Okay, see here my phone screen is going to off now, and after 5 seconds only it will be locked. Before that, if I try to unlock, it will not be locked already. Okay, because it should take at least 5 seconds after screen timeout. Okay, here you can you are changing this auto lock time. Okay, if you set immediately, then after immediately, that is screen timeout and auto lock time will be same. Okay, so after 15 seconds, if screen is off, auto screen will also be applied. Okay, instantly auto screen will be applied. Yes, instantly applied. Okay, see here. And if you are going to increase this time, yes, you can do it up to 30 minutes you can keep. Okay, so even after screen timeout, it will not automatically locked. Okay, it will wait up to 30 minutes, and after that it will be locked. Okay, see here screen is going to off. Yes, it is off now. From here, from this moment, it will take 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes only screen will be locked. Okay, now screen is not locked, screen is in off position only, not locked. Screen lock is not yet done because auto lock is now increased to 30 minutes. Okay, so in this way you can easily change, you can keep auto lock timing from immediately to 30 minutes. Okay, 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and up to 30 minutes you can set. Okay, so this is called auto lock time, and how to change auto lock time. Okay, it is always to keep in 5 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay, that's fair. Okay, this is default one. 5 seconds is the default one. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.